So I just cover my under eye with a tear. It's really pigmented. I already did the other eye. And then with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, I just go over my whole face, but it looks like it didn't make a difference because I did get a tan over the summer. So I picked up the Well People. It's darker and went over my cheeks, my bridge of my nose and my forehead where the sun would usually kiss it. And then this really freaking old Milani brush. It's my favorite and I spray it regularly with alcohol. And it posed no problem with my extremely sensitive skin. So it's just to give it a little bit more rosy glow. Bronzy glow. And then with the Smashbox contouring powder, I use that for my lids and then just kind of brush on the outer edges a little bit. And then with the contour powder, I use it on my nose and then the highlighter on the bridge just to accentuate it a little bit. Curl my lashes and then picked up the Natasha Denona, the darkest of the brown, just to accentuate the fold of my eye just a little bit more. And then the lighter brown from it on the bottom lids just to give it a little shadow. And then the mascara, a brown mascara by L'Oreal. It's a Lash Paradise for the top and the bottom lashes. And then lip by Maybelline. It looks like it's a little too red, so I went over it with a lip gloss by Sephora. So I'm not trying to go for the exact look, and for my hair to look very thick and voluminous, I have to spray it up because even when I do a loose French braid, it still kind of falls flat. So I'm gonna try to do that sometime, maybe the next video. But right now I did try a loose French braid and it didn't work out because it looked flat, so I ended up putting it down and then call it a day. That's it. Thank you.